Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Online Learning. This video is related to biggest update, very urgent direct test hiring. The test is start in some of the next hour by 1 p.m. today. Reminder coding test, code the age, Python hackathon. BE, BTECH, BCA, MCA 24, 25, 26 batch is eligible. That's why I suggest apply for all opportunities that I am sharing. I shared this opportunity on November 12, like 3 to 4 days ago. Clearly mentioned the code, the age, and today candidate received the update. You can see the name of like sender. Okay, it is same as that. So like you can see reminder coding test, code the age Python hackathon. Thank you for your application to code the age 25 Python hackathon. Your coding test has been scheduled for November 16th 1 p.m. means today. The test link will be shared on the same day at 12:50 p.m. on registered email ID. You have 1 hour 45 minutes to complete the assignment once you open the link and begin assignment. Please choose Python as the programming language. Attempting the assessment in any other language may reduce your chances of selection. Along with coding challenge, you are required to record and submit a video explanation of your solution. Ensure your camera and microphone are working properly. All the best. Please be prepared for question related to Python and data structure. We look forward to seeing your performance. Thanks and regards. So when you click on apply now button, so this is the official post for that. Click on register option here, and here the code the age Python hackathon is still the form is accepting response, means registration is already closed, always registration closed timeline is November 15 11 p.m. means yesterday. But when you open this Google form, so code the age, full name, email ID, location, mobile number, BE, BTech, MCA, year of graduation 25, 26, 24, everything is mentioned. You are available at 1 p.m. So you can submit, you can try to apply now if you not applied yet. That's why चिल्ला चिल्ला के बोलता हूँ हमेशा apply for opportunities on daily basis. The thing is you do not have to miss any of the hiring. And Python and DSA से related रहेंगे. So I suggest you can check on YouTube that is related to this company Coach. Okay, so best wishes for your test, and must apply for all opportunities that I shared yesterday as well. Thanks for watching the video.